Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Mikulowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex Quick Look. We're going to take a look at the dollar versus Swiss franc. Today's date is August 26, 2024. Let's get started. Looking at the 4-hour chart, I'm going to focus on this area right through here. It was created back here in 2020, into 2022, early 2023. The price moved below this area right through here, came up to that area, rotated to the downside, moved above it, and then reestablish support against this area between 0.8448 and 0.845, looks like 596, and it remained untouched, going all the way up to this area until a few weeks ago when the price moved below to this area and below that level all the way to A431 before bouncing to the upside shortly thereafter. It was in trading this week that the price once again returned to that level and trading on Monday, and again in early trading today. Between the 0.8448 and 0.84596, and we are finding some support buyers against that old level right here. So technically, if the price can stay above this level, and buyers are trying to lean against this level, then we could see a rotation back to the upside. Conversely, if we move below that level, we'd start to look toward our low price that we saw in the month of July that came down to 0.84315, and then it opens the door for low prices that we saw going back to early January, late December. That took the price all the way below the around the 83-ish type of level on the downside for this currency pair. Now let's take a look at the hourly chart, see what it's telling us. If we look at the hourly chart, I'm going to take a zoom out here. What we can see is that over the last 7 or so trading days, price has been able to stay below this blue line. This blue line represents the 100-hour moving average. But in trading yesterday and to start off trading here today, we've seen up and down price action, which has allowed that 100-hour moving average to move closer to the current price. We're still a good 40 or so pips away from the level with the 100-hour moving average at 0.8506, but the moving average is moving lower. And as long as the price continues to move sideways here and stay above this swing area right here, we could have a battle going on between that 100-hour moving average above and our swing area below. So there already is a battle going on, but we just haven't gotten close to that 100-hour moving average. But what I'm trying to say is that it's setting itself up for a potential battle going on ahead. So be aware of that 100-hour moving average, not only today, but going forward. Again, it's only about 40 or so pips away, so it's not that far away. We could head up toward that level in trading here today, so be aware of that moving average. Taking a closer look at the 5-minute chart, just for giggles, because the market did move to the downside in trading last week, and what we see here is the up and down price action we've seen over the last few days has the 100 and 200-hour moving averages being sort of chopped around. We did try to hold below the 200 bar moving average here and here in trading yesterday, but then moved above it and tried to use it as support. But the upside momentum was somewhat limited, and we've since chopped up and down. We are below that 100 bar moving average right here in trading here today, keeping the sellers more in control. So that is in favor of the sellers in the short term for the dollar versus Swiss. We'll see if that can continue going forward. But I'll watch the 0.8472 level as a level of resistance, or potentially a swing level for traders. If the price does move above it, it would be more bullish, and we start to look toward our falling 100-hour moving average. If the price stays below it, the bias remains more to the downside, and the downside is favored. My name is Greg Mikulowski with a tactical look at the dollar versus Swiss. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.